do not reinvent the wheel. If you want to add a big feature to your future website, look for open solutions first, open source solutions. There's no reason you need to duplicate the effort that someone has already put in. Honestly, use other people's work if it fits your needs. That's why they open source their project really in the first place, is so that other people can leverage what they've worked on. So let's take a look at an example here. I'm going to close this down in just a moment and open up my browser, and we're going to take a look at slick.js. It's a common JavaScript library for creating amazing carousels of images. So let's see why this is important to leverage existing open source work. So this is just my browser, and I'm going to type into Google slick.js. And this is the first one we want here. The last carousel you will ever need. Now this is what a carousel is, right? These could be different images. You could move multiple images at once, responsive display, variable width. So if your images are different sizes, it will adjust automatically. It has adaptive height, has captions and stuff in there. You can actually see my arrow is moving so it stays centered. There's center mode, which is pretty nice. But if you needed to add this to a website, you could write this on your own, and that would be somewhat of a nightmare because these are not super easy to create. But if we go up to Get It Now, it says view it on GitHub. Okay, let's view this on GitHub. So I'm just on github.com here, and I'm zoomed in, that's why it looks so big. And I click on Slick, and if I go to slick.js, I can see all the source code. So there's 88 kilobytes of data in the source code, 3,037 lines. Now, if we just keep scrolling, we can see that there's like a lot of logic, a lot of different things going on in here. But if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see there's 3,037 lines of code. And if you use this person's code, you do not have to write 3,000 lines of code. You don't have to put the effort in to figure out all the edge cases. Does it work on all the different browsers? Does it look great? Is it responsive? Do all the features work across every browser? Things like that. We know that this is tried and tested. We don't have to worry about this not working. So I'm just gonna scroll back up to the top here. Go back over to, look at this. 26,100 people have started this, and there are over 5,000 forks. So 5,400 people have basically copied this code base into their GitHub account so that they can modify it. But again, the big power in open source is being able to leverage other people's code.